Good morning and welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in. My name is Amita Wadhwa. Beginning the bulletin with a breaking update coming in of the Union Minister Ramdas Athavale, who's met President Ramnath Kovind in the connection with the Vazagate scandal, and he has now sought President's rule in the state of Maharashtra over the Vazagate crisis. Similar appeal that he had already earlier written to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah on the same concerns that he said that President's rule should now be imposed in the entire state of Maharashtra, and he had also demanded Anil Deshmukh to step down pending inquiry. Now, President has assured me that is what Ramdas Athavale seems to be suggesting right after this meeting that has taken place with the Rashtrapati, saying that President's rule should now be imposed in the state of Maharashtra over the growing crisis within the Mahavikas Aghadi there, because serious allegations that are now being leveled against the state home minister. Going across to Piyush now for a quick update. Piyush, not the first time Ramdas Athavale is making that appeal that the President's rule should be imposed in the state of Maharashtra.
Well, in fact, he has written multiple times a letter to governor and also to President of India. At the same time, he has written many letters to Home Minister seeking demanding that President rule should be imposed in the state of Maharashtra. And this time, he has again stepped up his attack, looking at the kind of allegations those have been leveled by Parambir Singh, because these allegations are very, very serious in nature. 100 crore per month extortion allegations have been leveled. So looking at what's actually happening now, Ramdas Athavale, who is also Union Minister, who himself hails from Maharashtra, has now again demanded that the President rule should be imposed in the state of Maharashtra. Remember that earlier also he has been demanding the same. On the other side, we are also seeing as to how BJP continues to ask for the resignation of Anil Deshmukh, but NCP, Shiv Sena, Congress, all the elements of Mahavikas Aghadi, all the parties of Mahavikas Aghadi continue to shield him, continue to say that there is no point of Anil Deshmukh putting down his papers. In fact, Anil Deshmukh, has himself also written to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, saying that that there should be proper inquiry into
right.
the
So
kind of
Piyush, just stay on with us. We have the reaction now of the Union Minister and the RPI party president there, Ramdas Athavale, just speaking right after his meeting with the Rashtrapati. Let's listen in.
माननीय राष्ट्रपति महामहिम रामनाथ कोविंद जी को मिलकर मैं आया हूँ और उनको मैंने एक मेमोरेंडम मैंने दे दिया है और उसमें मैंने महाराष्ट्र में राष्ट्रपति शासन लागू करने की मांग किया है। उन्होंने इस पर विचार किया जाएगा ऐसा उन्होंने बोला है। और महाराष्ट्र में जो स्थिति बिगड़ती जा रही है, बहुत ही सीरियस घटनाएं घटती जा रही है। वहाँ मुकेश अंबानी के घर पर मतलब स्फोटक रखने का काम एक पुलिस अधिकारी करता है, सचिन वाजे करता है, और सचिन वाजे को अनिल देशमुख बोलते हर महीने को 100 करोड़ रुपए मिलना चाहिए। तो ये पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है, इसलिए महाराष्ट्र में राष्ट्रपति शासन लागू करना चाहिए। ऐसी मांग मैंने आरपीआई की तरफ से एक मेमोरेंडम देकर मैंने महामहिम